नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name System Analysis and Design. Now topic of today's session is System Flowchart Part 2. These are the topics which I have covered in this session. What is flowchart, data flow diagram symbols, structured system analysis and design method, UML use case diagram example, data modeling with entity relationship diagram, JSD Jackson system development, pyramid diagram, components of ER diagram. Now come to what is flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram that graphically represents the structure of the system. The flowchart of steps is a process, the flow of the step is a process algorithm, and or you can say a sequence of steps and decisions for execution a process or solution a problem. So for depiction, the steps there are used specific shapes and graphic symbols which are linked by lines and directional arrows. So the main standard shapes are rectangle or box, rounded box, diamond circle. A flow chart is a convenient way, you can say, in which you can observe the follow the process from beginning to end. It lets improve the work of process, highlight the key elements and detach not essential or even excessive steps. So you can say the flowcharts can represent different levels of detail: high level flowchart, detailed flowchart, and development or matrix flowchart. So you can say they are incredibly useful for programmers when developing the programs of any complexity and on any high level language. So it is you can say very beneficial for understanding what is the process going on. Okay, so create your own flowchart using the concept pro diagram, diagramming and vector drawing software and powerful tools of flowchart solutions from diagrams area. Like it is you can say automatically creation of the flowchart. Okay, so you can see here this is automatically created, and as I told you in my previous videos that this is a decision box in which you take the decision either yes or no, so you have to move here or then exit or go back to the or end or terminate, you can say, and these are the process, start process, this is the end process. Okay, so just go through my previous video also so that you can easily understand. Okay, now here this DFT library, here these are the various shapes in which you easily create your DFDs and charts, etc., because there are various shapes in which you can easily make your charts. Now come to the structured systems analysis and design methods. In short, we call it as SSADM with the concept or diagram. In this structured system analysis and design method is a method developed in Great Britain, and it is accepted in 1993 as a national standard for information systems development and analysis. So SSADM is totally based on data flow diagrams and is characterized with presence of clear sequence of steps at the projecting, analysis and documenting of information system. Now it involves basically 6 main stages, and what are these? First is analysis of existing system or estimation of practicability. And the second is requirements definition, determination of technical requirements and equipment cost, development of logical data model, projecting of logical requirements and specification them, and the last is the physical projecting. Now see in this screenshot, in which you can see this structured system analysis design, it automatically created. Okay, you can use very easily. Now come to the UML, that is use case diagram. Example is registration system. In this you can see this is the administrator. First you register, then log in, then search database and add to database and log out, and this is the user finally. Okay, and this is this has the power, administrator has the power to delete user, delete from database. Okay. Now this sample was created in concept diagramming and vector drawing software using the UML use case diagram library of the rapid UML solution from the software development area of concept draw solution path. So this sample shows the types of users interactions with the system and is used at the registration and working with the database system. Now comes to data modeling with entity relationship diagram. In this data modeling is actively applied in analysis and uses wide set of methods for description the data requirements in a system, and this is one of the most popular and well known is the ERD method of database modeling. So the best ERD tool for the Mac and Windows is Concept Draw Diagram software extended with the entity relationship diagram, that is ERD solution from the software development area for Concept Draw Solution Park, which is sharpened for professional ERD diagram and data modeling with entity relationship diagram. Now here you can see this data modeling with entity relationship diagram. In entity relationship there are entities, and you can see here these are entity, weak entity relationship. You can easily use this type of symbols so to make this ER diagram. Okay, so this software is very much useful for this creation of the charts. And now comes to the JSD, that is Jackson System Development. Jackson System Development JSD is a linear method of system development which is created by Michael A. Jackson and John Cameron in the 1980s, and it comprises the whole software lifecycle directly or providing a framework for more specialized techniques. And when implementing the Jackson System Development method and designing JSD diagrams, you can successfully use the powerful and helpful tools of concept draw diagram software extended with entity relationship diagram, that is ERD solutions from the software development area of concept draw solution path. Now look at this diagram. In this student is divided into evaluate part, agree, and loan part. Okay, so this loan part further divided into of course single loan and initiate, repay, terminate, and then this repay means okay, this repay. So this is a Jackson System Development chart. Now comes to the pyramid diagram. Pyramid diagram is a chart used to visualize the data in a hierarchical pyramid-like structure and depict the foundation-based relationships. So pyramid diagram looks like a triangle divided by lines into several sections and can be oriented up or down and represented in 2D and 3D view. So 2D pyramid diagrams are a great way to illustrate the hierarchical structure 3D pyramids are equally good to represent the class stratification and hierarchy. Now see this diagram. This is a pyramid diagram. In this you can see transaction processing and management information system, executive information system, and in this this is the layer of operational. In this, operational decisions should be made, and this tactical decisions are made, and then finally in the last executive phase, in this strategic decisions can be made. So now comes to the components of ER diagram, that is entity relationship diagram. This model gives the possibility to visually describes a database using the components of ER diagram, entity relationship stencils, relationship symbols, workflow shapes. Okay, so this lets represent the data or entities, attributes of these entities and relationships between them. So by using this standardized Krauss-Foot notation, icons, or you can say Chen's notation icon. Okay, so this entity you can say is an object of the real world which exists independently, and it has an instances which differ in attributes values. Attributes means like properties, and the properties of course gives an unambiguous, that is uniquely identification for the instance, and are called the primary key. Okay, so this key can be composite and combines several attributes. This concept draw diagram is a professional software which is available with entity relationship diagram solution from software development area. So this lets us create ERDs for various database systems using Krauss-Foot and Chen's notations. So it is an invaluable tool for software engineers and developers. It supports ODBC compatible databases, that is Oracle, MySQL, MyAccess, MS SQL, Interbase, Firebird and others. Now see this components of ER diagram you can use through this software. This is made by this concept draw diagram. Okay, so this is all about today's session, and this is a question for practice, that is define ER diagram, explain with example. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.